Okay, so I was talking to my class recently about the lanthanide series of elements. These are the elements in the lower half of the periodic table, right above the actinide series, so it's at the bottom of the periodic table. And so the lanthanides include many of the rare earth metals. Um, and so these are very important in applications of things like lasers and electronics, and they're very important economically, of course, because they're rare earth, right? So they're not very common. And so it was an interesting discussion, and everything went pretty well until we got to this element. And so what's special about holmium? And I was just kind of thinking, okay, it's kind of HO, atomic number 67. Oh, and that's where it hit me, because as soon as we got to this element, of course, the entire class went completely crazy. And they're like, yeah, that's kind of a meme that's going around. I'm not sure. Okay, these are kids, so whatever works for you. So, and maybe this is Santa Claus's favorite element, because if you put three of these together, you get ho, ho, ho. So that's also kind of cool as well, too. But it does kind of make all the kids go crazy right now just because of the whole 6-7 thing. So hopefully the kids will kind of eventually get over that in the next several weeks or so. We'll see how that goes. So what about holmium? What is special about this? Now, holmium, it gets its name from Stockholm because Holmia is the Latin name for the city of Stockholm in Sweden. So that's where we get the name for it. And it was originally, the element was discovered in 1878 by Jacques Louis Soré and Marc de la Fontaine. And so they discovered this element spectroscopically in 1878. It's a silver white metal. It's a very strong magnet. It has the highest magnetic permeability, and its magnetic saturation, it's got the highest magnetic saturation of any element as well. So it's used to make very strong, stable, static magnets. It also strongly absorbs neutrons, so it has a very good use in nuclear reactors. And so, again, its atomic mass, 164.93, so its most stable isotope is holmium-165. It's got a lot of very good uses in the medical field as well, so for lasers and for treatment of various cancers, as well as blasting kidney stones and that sort of thing. So there we go, atomic number 67, holmium.